Let's get started.
Alright, we got this American Volt fan kit. It came with 2 fans, everything we need to connect the fans to the radiator, along with a relay and some other connections, a temp sensor, and then we went ahead and got some grommets and some extra connectors in case we need them. First thing we want to do is install our relay. Ooh, the fuse is built in already. Oh, and it splices to the 2 fans. They got that in there, American Volt. You guys got things all set up here. I like it. Oh, look at that. They even got some connectors here. Sweet. First, you want to install your thermostat. You do this by finding a port on your intake manifold. We have one previously installed. And keynote here is you want to use liquid Teflon to make sure it has good ground.
Now we're going to mount our relay.
So I'm using my left hand here, Jake. Oh, no, it's not.
That is.
There it is. There, now it won't move. This is where we mounted our relay with the screw provided. 2 things we wanted to make sure. Mounted away from heat, and we took into consideration where our wires go from here. This is our wiring diagram we're looking at. We need a hot lead going into our relay. Red, black goes to thermostat. Override circuit gray we're not going to be using. Yellow goes to our ignition switch. And then this green wire comes out and splices to go to each one of our fans. We recommend starting with the easiest wire first. For us, that's going to be our thermostat wire. We're going to go from our relay along these wires over to our thermostat. Our black wire is too short, so we're going to splice in a little more wire to reach our thermostat. And probably come out here and go right there. This is power from our fuel pump switch. We are going to splice into it, so when we turn that switch on, it makes our fuel pump relay active and our fan relay active. Hi-ya-ya-ya! Hi-ya-ya-ya! Hi-ya-ya-ya-ya! Oh yeah, there we go. Wiring up the positive to the fans. Yellow on yellow. Pull test. Don't forget your heat shrink. That's what you call blind crimping. Strongly not suggested. Not advised. We are professionals. Pull test. Look at that, Jake. I did it. Where's my... Oh yeah. Good to go. Let's get this the length that we would like it. Right about there, huh, Jake? That look good? As far up as you can. Does it matter which way I go? Nope. But I just have to be consistent with what I decide? Yep, so I can swap them. Okay. Female end on the fan side. Female end on the fan. Pull test, good to go. Okay, male end on the positive. Power coming in. These are yellow. hard. Full test, good. I'm just going to connect this so I don't mess anything up. Oops. There we go. They touch each other, but they don't touch anything else. All right, we're going to work on the other positive. Butt connector, please. It's easier to put this on first, and then you pull with the wire. It's easier if you get a larger size too. But sometimes, yeah, I'm not going to go there. You play with what you got. Pull test passes. Yeah, he's still should be good enough. Okay, so go along here, go along this one, connect right here. Pull test good. Pull test good. Here we go. Now we connect our negatives. I'm going to run my conduit through here. So the best spot would be branch off from the conduit right here for my grounds. There we go. We got our spot for our grounds. Now let's run some wire to it. You like that? That was good. That was pretty good. Not a whole lot of words. We got our connectors. Let's run our wire. Right there. Up to this one right here. Okay, so I'm going to give it a little extra. And go right there. And that should be plenty to get us to our other one as well. And yes, we are using the same colored wire. This is the only wire that I have at the proper thickness. I do not plan on selling this car, but if I do, good luck. Trying to be funny, Jake. Trying to be funny. Cut that as high as you can. Going to need to fold this over. So we're going to cut a little extra. Give it a good fold. Where's my butt connector, Jake? Hey, Jake, thanks for bringing these connectors over. Now to run our last ground. You know what? I just realized, Jake. What? If these fans aren't connected properly and they run backwards, I'll have to redo these. Yep. Well, we're committed now. You probably thought of that, but you were just like, I'll let Lee learn.
I mean, if you do this one right, then you only have one to correct.
Freaking genius. God, I knew there was a reason why I keep you around, Jake. We're going to do this one the right way then. And we will. There's just going to be an extra one down there. That's like that 10 millimeter, Jake.
Yep.
It's for the next guy.
We're donating.
We're donating for the next guy who's going to need that.
Dude, you were doing that right there, and all of a sudden this socket came out of nowhere.
Yeah. What's that? Oh, 10 millimeter!
Hey! We found it!
Jeez, guys, like, where'd my 10 mil go?
Oh, dude!
All right, I put the female on this end. And the male on this end. Full test. Good to go.
If you've made it this far in the video, you might as well click that like and subscribe button.
That one. Yellow on yellow. It's not going nowhere. How's that look?
Looks good.
We've got one wire that's tapped out here from our positive, and we've got to hook up this wire to our positive as well from our fan relay. So we've got this adapter, which means we've got to take this piece out, put this piece in. Kind of got to get one side started and then twist it around. I already cut into this, guys. I just wanted to make sure that it fit. Oh boy.
Well, at least I thought it fit.
Alright, so I just had to kind of cut the top off. There, now this fits in there perfectly, and I can tighten it and put it on there. I'm just going to use this to continue my wiring and hook up a connector here. Hook up our last little connection for this relay, and that right there is how you wire up your electric fan.
If you enjoyed this episode of the Meano Camino, you can check out the playlist in the upper left. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to help this video reach more people. And thanks for tuning in to the Roy Garage. We'll catch you next time.